And in some more news coming in from Tamil Nadu, remember Tamil Nadu has been witnessing a rise in COVID cases and has now gone into a complete lockdown because the cases were not dropping for the last 10 days. A large number of people, despite the lockdown, was seen in violation in the vegetable market to stock up on essentials. The state government has imposed a stringent lockdown during which even grocery shops will not be allowed to function during this period of time. The vegetables will be sold through the horticulture department during the total lockdown period. But the visuals on your screens, you can see there from Coimbatore, from Tiruchirappalli and from Madurai, where absolutely no social distancing being maintained and people out in huge numbers to stock up on essentials. Mugilan is joining us for more details here. Mugilan, Tamil Nadu has been a big cause of concern. This is something that for time and again the Health Ministry has also mentioned. Now going back into a complete lockdown kind of mode, but we are still seeing so many violations coming in from across the state.
Definitely, we know that from tomorrow onwards there will be a total lockdown in Tamil Nadu. That is including even the grocery shops or the provision shops will not be allowed to open. So that is why now we are seeing people thronging almost all the markets here in the state since morning. We could see in the visuals hundreds of people have gathered in large numbers to buy vegetables, provision, and even in meat shops we are seeing people gathering in large numbers. And more, what worrying some is that even the textile shops in several markets are open, jewelry shops are open. So in almost all shops, people are overcrowding. Almost everyone have come out for shopping ahead of the total lockdown. And you can see in the visuals also, either it's social distancing or wearing face masks is not been, people are not ready to maintain social distancing or wear a face mask. So ahead of the election, now people gathering in large number, violating all possible COVID guidelines that have been in place.
All right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. So that's the situation now in Tamil Nadu. It's going to go into strict lockdown mode from tomorrow.